on the EVNG, and then we will type this IP in the browser. I can take any browser. Let me take this here separate. I will take any browser here, and let's see, when we get the IP we need to type that IP here. So what I will do, I will wait for some time, we will get the IP, then we are going to type that IP here. Okay, so we will write here 192, this one, and then go to this dashboard, admin, EVE is a password. Then what we will do, we will go to our folder. I think we create this one, right? Or we have another folder. Anyhow, we create one folder, maybe this one only. So let me open this. Here I will create one lab. I can say VLAN lab. We can give any name, VLAN lab. So I will take 2 switches. So if we want to take the switch, select this CISCO IOL. And if you see, this is L2. L2 means this is a switch. And here we will write SW, whatever name you want to give. How many you need? You need 2. So just write SW and change the image here. Select where you have. This is just icon. Even if you did not change, no worries. But I will change. And it is going to consume 1 GB RAM. Okay, one switch is going to consume 1 GB RAM. Just say okay, and you have 2 switches. So what I can say, I can keep like this here, and I will connect. Okay, imagine, maybe let me take another scenario like this. This is ground floor, this is first floor, and here I need to take the PC. So I will take this VPC because it is going to consume less RAM, and I will take, let me take here 4, or yeah, each department I will put only one because already we know the concept. Here I can give PC. If you want, I can take more also, but anyhow 4 is sufficient. Let me click here. Now I have the 4 PC. We can say 2 PC will be in the first floor, 2 PC will be in the ground floor. Now for lab purpose, I will take 1 device for 1 VLAN. Okay, 1 device for 1 VLAN. So here what I can do, I can rename. If you want to rename, we can rename also. Here we can say this is PC1. This one is A. Just click edit, type here PC2. Okay, and here if you want to edit, click edit PC3. Then again click edit PC4. PC4 already it is PC4. Anyhow, let me connect, and I will connect this here also. We can say like this. You can take any way. So now I am taking only 1 PC. Imagine you have maybe 20 PC or 30 PC, and if you want to put some shape or color or anything, we can put also, like here background color. If you need light, this one I will take this. So I can say wherever I have this color, that is for VLAN 1. Okay, VLAN, whatever VLAN, example HR department as we are saying. So I will say this belongs to HR. Wherever you have this color, that guy is the HR guy. Or let me move this down. Okay, if you see here, what I can say, this is the HR guy. I can put the label here. I will say VLAN 10. Same thing what we done in packet tracer. Same thing I am writing VLAN 10. Name what I am going to give. I am going to give the name as sales. Let me give sales. And subnet we are going to use here 192.168.10.1, 10.0/24. Okay, just I am writing here text, and this is 14. I will give like this. So this is the detail I will put here. Same thing I will put here. So now I keep only 1 PC, but imagine you have lot of PC. I will duplicate, and we can change the color here. How I can change? Just right click, click edit, and change this color here. Which one you need? Example, you need blue. So click here, then blue. Which blue you need, you can select. So here we can keep this one. Duplicate, then keep this here. And you need same like this. So I will duplicate, and here we are going to modify. I will say this is which VLAN? VLAN 20 we can say. So this is VLAN 20, and this one instead of sales we will say marketing or HR, whatever you need, marketing. Okay, and subnet here what we are going to use? We are going to use 20. So I will say here this should be subnet of 20. Okay, This is 20. So this one I will copy, same thing, or I will make duplicate. We'll put this here. Okay, let me power on the device. Power on the device here also, and we will take the CLI of that one. So what I am saying, this is the same scenario, just we are using the layer 3 switch. This is a layer 3 switch. We have PC1 is in the first floor, and it belongs to VLAN 10. That VLAN is a sales VLAN, and we are going to use the subnet 10.0, 192.168.10.0. Same department guy sitting in the second floor, and his PC is this one, and same information. Same here, ground floor, one guy, that is VLAN 20, is sitting, that his name is marketing, and he is using this subnet. Same thing here in the first floor also. Some guys are sitting in first floor, some guys in second floor. So now let me take the CLI of the switch, this PC. First PC1, let me take all PC, PC2, PC3, then PC4. Okay, so now what I will do, I will assign the IP. So first we need to assign the IP. So what IP we plan here, we will write the plan is 192.168.10.1/24. Okay, this IP I want to assign here. So we will see here it is assigned. I will save and I will write show IP to check that one. If you see it is assigned 10.1 in the PC1. If you want, you can put also, if you want to put any label, anything, you can put here. This is 14 and we can make this bold. So this is the IP of this machine, this one. And same thing here I will put as 2, sorry, this should be here. This machine will have this, and for this machine we will have the IP. Here I will write this machine will be 20. Instead of 10 we will have 20, because for VLAN 20 we are using subnet 20. So this PC will have this IP, and here we will put this PC will have 20.1. okay, so what I will do, I will write 20.1. okay, this is the IP schema. For PC1 we assign the IP, for PC2 we need to assign. So let me go here and assign here. I will write IP whatever address 192.168.20.1/24. okay, then we have the PC3. I will write here IP 192.168.10. which PC? This is a PC3, so 10.2/24. For PC1 we use 20. If you see 20.1, this is 10.2, and let me save the configuration. And if you want to check, you can write show IP. So we have the correct IP. Here also I will save the configuration and I will check show IP. So everything is good. Now we will go for the PC4. In the PC4 I need to assign IP. This is a PC4, this one. So what I will give here, IP is 192.168.20.2/24. okay, and then I will save. We have some issue here. Yeah, what issue we have? We already assigned this IP, so we need to take this one as a 2. Now it will take, because for this PC we assigned 20.1, so that's why we are getting that issue. So now it is good. So we have this IP. So PC configuration is done, just assigning the IP address. In the real scenario you are not going to assign any IP. Automatically you are going to get from the DHCP server. Now we will go to the switch. Click here, you will have the console. This is a switch 1 and this one is a switch 2. So what we need to do, we need to do the switch configuration. What configuration we are going to do? We are going to create the VLAN. So let me take here the notepad and we will do the basic lab. This one first we will do the basic. So I will say switch, or we can say the VLAN lab. VLAN lab in EVENG. Okay, so here I will write switch 1 configuration. Enable config t host name SW1. okay, then how many VLAN? We told VLAN 10, name is sales. Whatever I wrote I am putting that one. Another is VLAN 20, name what we told marketing. Okay, then we have the interface. I will write interface E0/1, this interface belongs to sales VLAN 10. So I will write here switch port mode axis switch port axis VLAN 10. Then we have another interface E/0/2. We will write here switch port mode axis switch port axis VLAN 20. Okay, so here this port I put in the VLAN 10, this port I put in the VLAN 20. So switch 1 configuration is finished, but we need to remember we need to make as a trunk. So I will make this E/0/0 is trunk. So to make the trunk we need to write switch port trunk encapsulation dot 1Q. Then we need to write switch port mode trunk. Because this is layer 3, so we need to put this both line. If it is layer 2, only this one is sufficient, but now it is a layer 3, so we need to write this command also. So this is a switch 1 configuration. Okay, this is a switch 1 configuration. I will copy this, I will paste this in the switch 1. So this one is good, no issue, nothing, everything is good. Now we need to do the switch 2 configuration. So how we can do the switch 2 configuration? I will copy, I will copy and paste here. Okay, I will copy paste here and we will modify as per our requirement. So I will write 2, this is 2 and this remains same, and here if you see E/0/2, so E/0/2 belongs to VLAN 20, so this is correct. And here E/0/1, that is E/0/1 belongs to VLAN 10, so this is also correct. And here E/0/0 belongs to trunk, so this is also correct, this configuration. So this configuration remains same for switch 2 also. So I will go to the CLI of the switch 2, I will paste here. Now if you see, it is good. And if you want to check, you write show interface trunk to check which interface is a trunk. So this is a interface trunk. By on mode we are using 802.1q trunking protocol. Status is trunking, native VLAN is 1. And how many VLAN allowed to this one? It is allow 1-4094. Total all the VLANs allow, but currently we are using VLAN 1, VLAN 10 and VLAN 20. So this one is good. Now it will, if you want example, I want to check PC1 can communicate. So I can ping here PC1 192.168.10.2, because if you see 10.1 here, 10.2 here, okay, so both will work because they are in the same VLAN. But if you ping another VLAN, example if you put here 20.1 or 20.2, see here what we are getting, ping, it will not work because we don't have gateway, it is a different subnet. And also it will not work because this is a different VLAN. So later we will see how we can do the inter VLAN routing. Now what we learn, it will not work. Now what I am saying, we will verify this one. Which one?